These simple handmade art videos are pulling in millions of views and have become some of the most satisfying and relaxing videos to watch on social media. Take this account for example. They post simple handmade art videos on Instagram and already gained over 200,000 followers. One video hit 1.3 million views, another hit 5.1 million, and this one reached over 6.5 million. The best part is that these stunning videos are now being created with the help of AI, making the entire process much faster than you might think. So, if you want to create these viral handmade art videos yourself, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact workflow to create these yourself using only free AI tools. Let's get started. Okay, the first thing you need to do is open ChatGPT and go to the prompt doc. You can get it from the description. Before you copy the prompt, just replace the name of the object, animal, or subject you want to create. The rest of the prompt will adjust on its own and give you a detailed result in the same style. Now copy the full prompt, paste it into the chat box, and hit enter. In a few seconds, ChatGPT will give you 10 unique paper crafting video ideas. Pick the one you like best. In this example, I'm picking idea number 4. Just copy that idea, paste it back into ChatGPT, and click Generate again. ChatGPT will now give you 2 things: a detailed storyboard image prompt that shows the whole crafting process, and a full step-by-step video prompt based on that storyboard. Okay, now open Google Gemini. Once it's ready, go back to ChatGPT, copy the storyboard image prompt, and paste it into Gemini's prompt box. Then click Generate. In a few seconds, Gemini will start creating your storyboard image. As you can see, it makes a clean, detailed storyboard with great consistency, showing the whole paper crafting process step by step in one image. Each stage flows into the next, making it a perfect visual guide for the final video. Once the image is ready, download it to your device. Next, open Flow AI and upload the storyboard image you just downloaded. After it uploads, turn on the Flow AI agent. Then click the 3 dots on the image and select Add to Prompt. This attaches the storyboard as a visual reference, so Flow AI knows exactly how each scene should look and flow. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the video generation prompt, and paste it into the Flow AI prompt box. Click Generate. I'll open the agent panel so you can see what's happening. After it reads the prompt, Flow AI will ask you to approve before it starts generating the video. Approve it, and you'll see the project appear on the dashboard with the status Generating. This usually takes just a few moments. And that's it! Your paper crafting video is done and ready to watch. From here, just repeat the same steps for every idea. That's it! Follow these steps, and you can make these videos completely free. See you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.